Improve balance. Work on coordination while having fun with this scooter board for kids. Build motor skills. Children will have fun building motor skills inside and outside. Safe, durable. Handles keep hands away from rolling wheels, while the hard plastic design is durable and bright. Plastic wheels won't damage floors. Indoor-outdoor activity. Perfect for the gym class, blacktop, basement or any hard floor surface. Student tested, teacher approved. Ideal physical activity for kids ages 6 to 12, 2nd grade, 8th grade. Holds up to 175 pounds. Measures approximately 16 by 12 by 3.75. Top reviews from the United States. Great therapy tool at home for all our kids from toddler to teen. 2 of my kids are in occupational therapy and use similar boards there. But all 4 kids have enjoyed riding it at home and it has given them obvious therapeutic benefits from the movement, particularly sensory input for spatial awareness and balance. I swear they are sleeping better. It is a hard plastic, not rubbery like the boards at our therapy center, but the kids have been rough on it and it's doing just fine.